We've made it to day 20 of the truck build today. I think the goal is for me to put another coat of paint on that queen bed area and all that conduit. I think Tom's working on 12-volt electrics, and then we might get the washing machine in. I think that's the goal for the day. Is that the goal for the day today, Tom? He don't know, but I think that's the goal for today. Anyway, this is the starting point for today. I'm not particularly happy with how this plyboard's come up, so hopefully another coat and that will get all those little deviations and things out of it, hopefully. But yeah, that's where we're at this morning. More painting first up, and I've got to fit a bank of USB ports in here somewhere so we can charge phones and things at night. And then washing machine's going there. This is how you know that Tom is working on electrics. Shit for days. But I now do have 2 coats on all that up that end of the truck. So Tom spent half the afternoon not doing anything productive, but rewiring our coloured flashing lights that come with the fire truck. Priorities, I guess. So if we ever need to clear a campground, we just put them on.
Go reversing up the bloody laneway up the road.
Yeah. Clear everyone out of the free camps with the popo lights. Don't have a mattress yet, but the TV is in. And Tom's been on the roof doing something with solar panels. And it looks like he's about to mount the Starlink Mini here by the look of it. The mount's here anyway.
Yeah.
Got my little stairs going up to my bed in now. They come up quite nice. This area is kind of getting on to finished. There'll have to be 1 shelf going across that wall. I might do something on the bed head, but I haven't decided yet. And I'm just finishing off the door handles and things on these cabinets once I figure out where the caravan door lockers will have to go, which I can't do until they arrive. And of course they haven't arrived yet. But this is known as the storage hole. So this is a big area under here. Spare clothes, cricket bags, golf kits, paddle boards, fishing rods, fishing bags, spare bed linen and blankets, filing, all that good stuff gets to go in that storage hole. Which is the reason why we built it high, because we're losing the through bins in the bus. So pretty much everything from the through bins and that is already under our queen bed now have to fit in to this space here. Okay, at the end of day 20, and it is another one of those days where we really haven't stopped all day, but I don't feel like I achieved much at all. I got my queen bed area all painted and everything up. That's just really needs my door locks, which are in the post somewhere, and a mattress, and that section's finished off. My storage up this end's all finished off then. The TV mounted, got the external lights wired in and mounted, and the flashes wired in and mounted. Tom's run all the 12-volt wires for the hot water system, for the oven, for USB ports, for overhead bench lights, and for the pressure pump. So that's all done, all the 12-volt systems. All the wires are run and done for that. Just painting and tidying up, and made a little start on my bench, getting my timbers ready for my bench tops. So yeah, lots of little things today. Didn't feel like we did anything major. No huge visual change to show for everybody, but I think that's it. What are you up to for the rest of the day, Thomas John? Are you done? Done. Thomas is done.
Yeah.
The switches are giving him the shits already, so we'll see how that goes. They might be getting changed. Okay, I think that's us. Day 20 over and done. See you all again tomorrow for day 21, which is 3-week mark.